Thursday morning, it was a dragon time.
Yeah, Thursday.
6 a.m. And we are off to the racetrack. What time did you get this morning?
3:50.
Yeah.
3:50.
Nice and early, what a trooper.
Had to be ready.
Yeah, exactly. So we got a little bit of rain right now, sprinkling a little bit, but we're hoping we can see off in the distance. It looks clear. Right, it looks like it. I see the hole in the sky, so that's a good sign. So I think we're going to be good. We're going to get there. We're going to have a little bit of sun.
All right, we'll see you guys there. Okay, so we are headed out because we got caught in the hailstorm. Oops, got caught in the hailstorm. And it was pretty intense.
Yeah, our platform, or the racetrack is now what is it? It's
Pond or
it's
lake?
A pond. Exactly. So it's all mud now. So I think it's better that we look for somewhere else, right? We're gonna go try the dunes again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Say goodbye to the racetrack. The pond.
goodbye. I'll show you guys.
Yeah, he was right about that. How much dirt?
And it is up here. Wow. 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 That's crazy.
Oh,
Where's that water coming? Oh, what is
it's
that?
still coming too.
Hey, what is that?